The Qur'an continues to have a unique and extraordinary impact on people wherever it goes. Just during the Prophet Muhammad's lifetime, there are multiple accounts of vengeful, murderous Arabs who sneak up to the Prophet ﷺ for no other reason than awaiting a moment to catch him off guard and assassinate him. And yet they would find themselves disarmed by hearing his recitation of the Qur'an, and find themselves transformed from his staunchest enemies to his greatest allies. No single work, man-made or divine, has ever gotten people and societies to thrive in such a holistic way. On every level, be it spiritual, be it moral, be it social, be it civilizational, it breathes new life into the world and illuminates it for centuries at a time. It has done so and continues to do so and will continue to until the end of time.